Oh, yeah! This jetpack thingy kept me out of that pool. Wait a minute. That isn't a pool. Whoa!
I never knew nature could be so powerful.
Oh, it's really something, isn't it? That sulfur smell is acid and microorganisms decomposing.
Wow, it's amazing being this close to nature. I can't believe Ben's missing this. Now I'm feeling a little too close to nature.
This mud is slowing down my awesomeness.
Ben!
That was the coolest thing ever! Woo! Nature, right? Pretty fun, loving it!
Will you also be loving doing laundry for a week? What were you doing?
Where do I even begin? I was zooming through mysterious underground caves, dodging stalagmites and stalactites. Suddenly, bats! Then some boiling hot springs plus supercharged heat blast rockets and ba-boom! And here we are!
Your heat blasting caused that geyser to erupt. You need to stop messing around with nature. It's better to observe and admire it for what it is.
Wait a minute, I'm getting some strong readings. Whoa, whoa! Found it! A total buzzkill!
All I'm saying is be careful. This whole park is over a huge supervolcano. If you keep messing with nature, there's gonna be trouble.
Psst, nothing's gonna happen just because I have a little fun.
Time to have a little fun! Oh, magnificent, isn't it, Aristocro? That geyser will provide enough beautiful steam to feed my Smytherator for decades to come. Caw! You know I hate it when I have to explain things to you. My patent-pending Smytherator will harness the Earth's natural steam supply to power gigantic engines, which will decimate this nation's power grids. Then I will usher in a new era of steam-only power across the entire continent. Now, while I set about putting a stop to this troubling future, I need you to be on the same page with me here, Aristocro. Would you be a doll and grab me the steam spanner? You were supposed to hand it to me, you useless bird! Go do something useful. Patrol the perimeters. Report back with anything pertinent. There, finished. Now then, let's set some steam loose.
Yeah! Look what you did!
Me?
Yes, you! Mother Nature is still reeling from your interference earlier.
Well, whatever I did, I'm sorry. But I'm also gonna have to do something about it.
Diamond Head! No, wait!
No time to wait. Only time for crystal plugs. Oh, yeah. Oh, no.
See? You have to let nature do its own thing.
I'm not so sure nature is completely responsible. If this was just a tremor, the park shortwave radio would be sending out warnings. But I'm not picking anything up.
Then why does everything look so natural? Trees, rocks, birds. Wait a minute. That bird is unnaturally fancy. Aristocro!
And where there's an Aristocro, there's bound to be a steam Smythe.
Seriously?